Hey there, friends. It's Amy again, and I'm going to introduce you to my little friend. This is Norman the Fjord. He is a holiday must have, and he's ready to spread cheer and charm this season. He's a limited edition item from Norwex. The holidays are all about joy and celebration, but sometimes our decor needs a little magic too, right? Without breaking the budget or harming the environment. And that's where Norman comes in. Look at the little antlers. He is so cute. He's made from 100% hand spun New Zealand wool. He's not just an adorable addition to your home, he's also a symbol of sustainability and a reminder of how Norwex helps us reduce chemicals and waste in our everyday lives. I just think I need about 20 of him on my tree. Here's why he's special. There's a lot of really cool facts about him. He's handcrafted from 100% hand spun New Zealand wool. It's a naturally sustainable and biodegradable resource. New Zealand's regulations for sheep farming ensure the highest standards of environmental protection, sustainability, animal welfare, and social responsibility. He is a fantastic way to introduce Norwex into every home and spark up conversations about our unique products, like our Fluff and Tumble dryer balls, right? Which are made from 100% New Zealand wool. You guys are going to love him. He's super cute. He's actually going in all of the stockings of all of my granddaughters. He's an adorable, woolly friend who's the perfect little holiday gift. I love him. He's great for animal lovers, kids, anyone who appreciates sustainability. And he's a recognizable holiday mascot here at Norwex, ready to spread cheer both online and offline. He's perfectly sized to display on your fireplace mantle, sit him on the table, or even as a little centerpiece. Plus, he comes with a nice little muslin carrying bag and gift bag to keep him pristine for years to come. So remember, Norman is a decor, so he's not a toy and he's not a dryer ball. So use him to add that special touch to your holiday gatherings. I'll see y'all again real soon. Bye, guys.